Welcome to Akai Tutors. My name is Joseph Yaji. I am one of the online representatives at Akai Tutors. I am here to ultimately inform you that our tutorial is angrily commencing on Monday. We provide decent accommodation for students coming from different locations. So you can call the number on your screen. You can see the number there, 08038 644 328. Okay? We promise you are going to enjoy your stay in Ife with us. And while coming, please, we do not feed students. At Akai Tutors, we allow you to cook. Okay, come with your cooking material. We provide beds here. Coming with beds is not necessary for now. Okay, so hope to see you as soon as practicable. Thank you and God bless you.